COVID-19 cases. So I'm just looking at the graph myself, and I'm noticing that the x-axis are the dates in March. So I'm seeing 5, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 through the 26th. I'm wondering over here on this end, I see a 5 for March 5th. I assume that would be March 6th, but then it skips to March 9th. So I feel like there should be the other days filled in there because it looks like the intervals are not the same to me. I feel like that could be misleading on this x axis, the x along the bottom. And I know that those are representing the dates of the measured coronavirus cases. And the first one I see is March 6th. But here's the thing, I could also think that's March 8th if I follow the rest of the graph down through there. I happen to know it was March 6th. So I feel like this section would be misleading in the way they marked it. My y axis up through here would be number of cases, and it's in intervals of 100. I'm good with that. I'm also noticing that it gives me a key that blue bars mean COVID-19 cases, and it's in Tennessee because at the top of the title it says that, which you don't see on this screen, but it does. And I'm noticing that jumps in the days are different. Like here, those are the same from the 6th to 9th. The 10th and 11th are more, but I don't know how much more. Oh, because I don't have the exact numbers. So I'd have to just kind of do my best guess that if this were, say, 50, that would be maybe 10 on the 11th ish. It looks pretty much like on the 15th, there were 50. That's about half, or maybe the 16th. I think that's a little more than 50. The 17th looks to be about 75. The 18th of March looks to be 100. The 19th of March, 150. The 20th of March, 230 ish. And then look at the 21st, it goes from 230 to 360 or 70. And then it goes from 370 ish to about 500 in one day. And then that's the 22nd right here. I hope you can see the cursor that I'm moving. From the 22nd to the 23rd, I see a jump from 500 to about 610, 615. From the 23rd to the 24th, I see a jump from 620-ish to 660 or 675. And then on the 24th to 25th, say 675 to about 780-ish. And then from 325 to 326, less than 800. So say it's 775, we'll say, to about 950. So I'm thinking that's a pretty big jump day, the 24th to the 25th. Maybe that's my biggest jump day because I see the biggest difference there. I would just subtract those numbers. So another thing that I think would be misleading about the graph is that I don't have the actual numbers. So I think it would be great if the numbers were put on top of each bar. That wasn't probably the point of whoever made the graph. I think the point of the graph was to show you that it is not linear. That would do this. I hope my cursor plus is showing. It's definitely not linear. It does make a letter. I think the letter it's making is a J. Looks like a J. So when a graph makes a J, that means it has some exponential growth to it. It means it's growing really rapidly. So I hope you saw some of those same things in the tech task, and I just wanted to check in. Now let me see how to stop the recording. Screen recorder somewhere. Okay, I'm just going to close this